In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to someone on Substack, a platform that's become increasingly popular for writers and readers alike. Substack allows you to follow your favorite writers, enjoy their free content, and even access exclusive materials through paid subscriptions. Let me walk you through the process of subscribing step by step. First and foremost, you'll need to head over to the Substack page of the writer or publication you wish to subscribe to. For example, if the writer has a URL like example.substack.com, you would simply type or paste that into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to their homepage on Substack. Once you're there, it's time to find the subscribe button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the web page, or sometimes right in the center, making it easy to spot. It's designed to catch your eye, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. The layout of Substack pages is generally straightforward, but if you have any trouble, consider scrolling around or resizing your browser window to ensure you see all available options. After locating the subscribe button, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your email address. Substack will use this email to send you updates from the writer or publication you're subscribing to. Carefully enter your address in the provided field, and then click the subscribe button again to proceed. This action ensures that you're signed up for their free newsletters. Now, if the publication also offers paid posts, at this point you might see options to upgrade to a paid subscription. This is a great way to support your favorite creators and get access to special content that isn't available to free subscribers. Take a moment to consider if this is something you're interested in. If you choose to go for a paid subscription, you'll see the different plans that are being offered. It's important to review these options carefully so that you know what you're signing up for. Select the plan that best matches your interests and budget. You'll then be prompted to enter your payment details. Make sure you enter these details carefully, as ensuring accuracy will prevent any issues with your subscription processing. Finally, with your plan selected and payment information entered, click the subscribe button one last time, and just like that, you're in. You'll have access to all the writer's updates, and if you opted for a paid plan, exclusive content tailored just for subscribers like you. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. Subscribing to a Substack writer is a simple process, but following these steps ensures you do it right and get all the benefits. Happy reading!